I feel this is almost a rebuilding year for my garden, but I just had to show you these Belinda's Blush. They're just absolutely stunning. Look at these beautiful, beautiful flowers. Very lightly fragrant, but hardly, not compared to some others. But look at this, they're all over the place. Look at this one here. These buds are beautiful and they're just loaded. Loaded, loaded, loaded. Some more buds here. And you could see my, I have some orangey coral drift roses in the front. And then that big monstrosity over there is Mrs. B.R. Cant. Still doing construction on the rose garden, but it will look beautiful when it's done. This is a crepe myrtle right here. Look at that. It's dusk, so here's some more drift roses. Really beautiful. I'm watering right now, so the hose is out. And then here is my mutabilis. Here, look at this. Tell me it's not rose season. The end of March. And then this is my Duchess de Bourbon. Here. And here. How cute. And here. And some more drift roses by the hose over there. There you go. Look at this. Mutabilis. I actually planted 3 more of these around the property. That's a big old pokeweed. But look at that. I should probably pull that out. Anyway, this is I gotta cut these. I want to shape these like big balls.